Why'd you take that stuff out of the bag?
This old Fender looks like it's been in 2 more divorces than me. Start by popping the hood. There will be 3 lower bolts to remove using a 10mm socket. A 13mm socket is required for that top bolt, right next to the hinge. But even with these out, you'll notice it still can't be lifted off due to a spot weld on either side.
It's spot welded on there.
Let's use a hammer and pry bar to break that seal.
There she goes.
And lift it off.
Ready? No, it's not bad at all.
That's what I call a work in progress.
There will be 3 7mm screws to remove along the wheel well.
So that one's gonna be fun.
So we've got 10mm, 1, 2 that need to come out to get the reservoir. And there's one back there too.
Go ahead. Do your filming thing.
Removing the passenger headlight dramatically improves visibility for that 10mm socket. With these out, we'll be able to get at that washer reservoir.
Oh, that's super easy.
Yeah, it is.
Using a 3/8 inch socket, free the fender from its lower mounting bracket. Using a 7/16, remove the 2 nuts off the mounting posts. Opening the door reveals a hidden toothed washer.
Well, sometimes you can take a screwdriver and
There it went.
It broke.
It's in heaven right now. Just that foam there?
Yeah.
I failed to get footage of this final bolt, but it was right here. This fender is extremely rusted and came out with loosening the pair of 10mm screws. When reassembling body parts, we've found it best to not fully tighten down screws or bolts that are readily accessible until those that are less readily accessible are in position. Thank you for checking out my video. Feel free to drop me comments or questions. And of course, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. We'll see you next week.
That doesn't matter either. That's a fucking wow. That is fucking welded on. Take a look. Sorry. Sorry.
Some people, they say au revoir. I say reservoir. That's so stupid, isn't it?
What the fuck? Do I need to put my head there for you to fart?